In this video, I'm going to talk to you about some of the fantastic products we have that you can get and turn your tent into that real home from home. A camping essential is a table. They vary massively in size and height, so think about whether you're going to use it just for putting cups of tea on or whether you're all going to sit the whole family around and have your dinner. We do a huge range of cupboards, wardrobes for keeping all your clothes tidy. If you want to get power into a tent, you'll need a mobile mains unit, which you plug into the power source on the campsite and bring that into your tent. We do a huge range of lighting, from mains lighting to battery powered lanterns to make sure you can see in the tent at night. When it comes to the bedrooms, lots of different options available. The bed is really important. We now even do bunk beds for kids, traditional air beds in various heights. Sleeping bag's really important. Make sure your sleeping bag is warm enough for when and where you're camping. There are kids sleeping bags, there are sleeping pods with extra room, double sleeping bags. A carpet will add a touch of luxury and help insulate your tent from the ground. In terms of chairs, a massive range of chairs, from kids' chairs to luxury recliners. There are also small cupboards for helping store your kit. And then obviously cooking on the campsite is very important, so we do ranges of kitchen stands, stoves, all the things you'll need to cook up some great meals on the campsite. So that was just a quick rundown of some of the fantastic products you can get for your family tent. They're all on our website, or pop into one of the stores where you'll see everything on display. There's more videos like this on our YouTube channel, so please check them out. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been helpful.